Okay, good morning students. Once more, I'm going to solve some problems from exercise 12D. And I told you these kind of problems are important because it require your efforts. You have to apply your sense and you have to do it. Okay? Here also same thing like yesterday's class I did it, same way. It is given there a minus, that means a minus b you can see, this you can take as a beta. This if you can take as b, so it is given there a minus b equal to 4 given. You have to find the value of a square plus b square. Like yesterday I told you, same way you are going to do it. Okay, what do we have? This first one, you take it like this, square it. 1 minus 1 by a whole square equal to 4 square. You can write it in the bracket beta, जरूर लिखेगा bracket में, by squaring both sides of the equation. Because I told you, in equation, if you multiply or divide by the same number in both sides, the value will never change. It is a linear equation problem. So here, first side I square it, second side also I square it. That means I multiplied it, and when I did it, the value will not change. So here you must write beta by, I am not writing it, by squaring both sides. And if you square it, this if you can take as a beta, this if you can take as b beta, it is coming in the form of a minus b whole square. Which form? A minus b whole square. And you know the formula how to write here? Here, a minus b whole square means a square minus 2 into a into b. B means here what? One way, first one is a, second one is b, you take it. So first one square, a square minus 2 into first one into second one plus the beta second one square is equal to 4 just 16. I hope it is clear to you. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. And in a minus b whole square, a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. That's the formula. Now if you do the calculation beta, ये दोनों कट जाएगा. So what will come here? A square minus 2 plus देखो 1 by a whole square means 1 into 1 by a into a. So what will come here? 1 by a square equal to 16. So if I arrange these two together, a square plus 1 by a square equal to 16 plus 2 will happen. Why? 2 is in left hand side. In what sign? Minus sign. When you go to that side, it become plus. So your answer will be beta a square plus 1 by a square equal to 18. And you are supposed to find the value of a square plus 1 by a square. Have you got it here or not? So it is very easy. So if you know the formula, easily you can do it. After knowing the formula, you have to think. Why I have squared it like that much I told you? Because here I have to find the value of square. So I just square it, the equation what is given there, and I found it. Because I told you always you utilize the value what is being given in the questions. And by utilizing the value, only you will be able to find out what you are supposed to find out. Alright, now I am going to solve next problem. Again, like yesterday the same thing, or today the first problem what I solved you yesterday and today same way. Here it is given there, you to find the value of this one. Here the square is given same, but what am I going to do? This type of problem yesterday also I solved you. Square kar do, because here the value is given in square, so square the origin. What is the formula? This one you take as a, this one you take as b. Suppose this is as a, this is as b. What is coming here? A minus b whole square. And what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square beta. Plus what is there? B square. Okay, b square means what? Here 1 by a whole square. I hope it is clear to you. What I have done? Nothing. This is a, this is b. In between what sign? Minus sign. So a minus b whole square. What is the formula? A square means first one square minus 2 into first one into second one plus second one square or not. फिर इसको लिख रहा है बेटा a minus 1 by a whole square equal to देख बेटा ये कट जाएगा. Okay, so what will come here? A square minus 2 plus 1 by a square. How 1 by a square come? I hope it is clear to you because 1 by a into 1 by a होने से ऊपर ऊपर गुना हुआ 1 will be 1 a into a equal to a square. Now let us arrange it बेटा. A minus 1 by a whole square equal to, if I write all the square in one side, minus 2 comes. Now you see here, a square plus 1 by a square. What is the value given? Same math like you have done yesterday. Okay, what is the value given? 11. So in place of a square plus 1 by a square, I have to write here 11. So write here a minus 1 by a equal to 11 minus 2. यहाँ ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखना है बेटा? By putting the value of, लिखना जरूर है, तो कभी तुम्हारा कंफ्यूजन नहीं आएगा. In place of a square plus 1 by a square, 11 कैसे आ गया? बाद में क्वेश्चन जरूर अराइज करेगा. But if you write it by putting the value of a square plus 1 by a square, कहाँ से? It is given there. So here also square sign, I made a mistake. So what will come बेटा? A minus 1 by a whole square equal to 9 will come or not. But you have to find the value of only a minus 1 by a. Like I explained you, what we have? Square sign में, तो you write a minus 1 by a equal to plus minus दे करके, are you supposed to write the square root sign or not? So what will come बेटा? A minus 1 by a equal to, put the equal to sign, plus minus, यहाँ क्या आता है बेटा? 3 into 3. So what is your answer? A minus 1 by a equal to plus minus 3. This is your answer. Now I am going to solve the last problem as today's class 1. Okay बेटा? Now the last problem for today बेटा. What do you find out? A plus a square plus b square plus c square. And these two values are given there. And no other square is there. So what, like earlier I did, same thing I'll do here. I'll just write here a plus b plus c equal to 9. और यहाँ पर हमको स्क्वायर चाहिए. So what write here? By squaring both sides. यहाँ पर लिखेगा बेटा by, I'm not writing squaring both sides. And if you square it, it is coming in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. I hope you remember the formula. The first class I explained you all the formula properly. So you have to remember it, then only you will do it. If you don't remember, then you will not be able to do it. And I told you how this comes, that also I explained you. So now I'm not going to do it, I'm directly going to do it because I know the formula. What is the formula? A square, this system, plus b square, plus c square, plus 2 into a into b, plus 2 into b into c, plus 2 into c into a. Okay, what is the formula? What is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab into 2 into bc plus 2 into ca. इसका formula break कर दिए. Equal to बेटा 9 square means 81. I hope it is clear if you remember the formula. Now I'm going to write it here. A square plus b square plus c square. इसको गुना करने से होता है बेटा 2ab. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से होता है 2bc. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से होता है बेटा 2ca equal to 81. Now once more, a square plus b square plus c square. देखो बेटा, इन तीनों में से will you be able to take plus 2 common or not? You know the common means. देखो इसमें भी 2 है, इसमें भी 2 है, इसमें भी 2 है. 2 have taken common. What is left over? First case ab plus दे करके bc plus दे करके ca equal to 81 or not. Now you see the value of given there. What the value is given there बेटा? The value of here. Come here. The value of AB plus BC plus CA is given there or not? What is the value? AB plus BC plus CA equal to 24. So इसका जगह में हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे बेटा? 24. So let me write it here. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into what is value बेटा 24 equal to 81. यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट में जरूर लिखेगा बेटा by putting the value of AB plus BC plus CA, so that you will not have any problem. AB plus BC plus CA का जाएगा में कहाँ से 24 आया, कहाँ से आया बेटा? From here. I'm telling you from here it comes or not, because AB plus BC plus CA equal to 24. I told you whenever you are going to solve this kind of problems, whatever values are given there, that has to be utilized. So in the first case, the value 9 was utilized by me by squaring both sides. So this was not utilized that time. So now I have utilized it. Now you do the calculation. It's very easy. What I did, beta? A square plus B square plus C square plus ये दोनों को गुना करने से आता है 48 is equal to 81. Now here, beta, A square plus B square plus C square equal to 81 minus 48. You know the equations? When they change their sign will also change. Equal to 33 is the answer. I hope it is clear to you. So again, once more I want to remind you, this kind of problems like factorization and this chapter, which 12 and 13, these two chapters you require lots of practice, better. And if you don't do the practice, these maths are very easy. If you remember the formula, if you remember the methodology, and this methodology and formula only you can remember by doing practice. And without practice, how intelligent you are, you will not be able to solve these problems when it will come in the examinations. And afterwards, you will regret yourself. The sir कितना बार बोले थे practice करने के लिए, हम लोग इसको नहीं किए, कितना आसान था to score marks. So that is why once more I am telling you, practice it regularly. Which two chapters basically? Factorization and this expansion. That means in your syllabus, chapter number 13 and chapter number 12, please do practice regularly. Thank you so much for today's class.